The moment you flip that switch and suddenly sound like a towering mountain giant or a mischievous little goblin, the entire vibe of your digital interaction changes. It is not just about hiding your identity. It is about adding a layer of theater to your online presence. Two specific tools dominate this corner of the internet, and they represent two completely different philosophies of design. On one side, you have the modern powerhouse that relies on heavy artificial intelligence to reshape your vocal cords in real time. This software is built for the person who wants instant gratification. You open it up and you are greeted by a sleek, colorful interface that feels more like a game than a utility. The highlight here is how the AI reacts to your emotions. If you suddenly burst out laughing or yell in excitement during a match, the software tracks those changes. It keeps the effect sounding natural and dynamic instead of robotic. It also packs a massive soundboard right into the main window, making it a favorite for streamers who need to trigger memes or sound effects on the fly. You can even step into a virtual laboratory to mix your own custom filters using pitch and reverb sliders. It feels very experimental and rewarding. You can stack effects like layers of paint, adding distortion or echoes until you find that perfect signature sound. However, all that processing power comes at a cost to your hardware. If you are running a high-end game on a machine that is already breathing hard, this program might cause some stuttering. It demands resources to keep that AI running smoothly. You might hear occasional glitches if your computer cannot keep up with the demand. On the other hand, you have the veteran contender that feels like a precision instrument for a professional audio engineer. It does not try to be flashy. Instead, it offers a level of stability and control that the newer apps often lack. It uses a specialized learning system that actually maps the unique qualities of your natural voice before it starts applying effects. This results in a very consistent output that holds up during long, multi-hour sessions. The interface looks a bit more traditional, like something you would find in a recording studio. It is full of sliders for texture and tone that might look intimidating at first. For the power user who wants to tweak every single frequency until they sound exactly like a specific character, this is the gold standard. It does not have as many preset fun voices right out of the box, but it gives you the tools to build them yourself from scratch. This tool also offers background cancellation that is incredibly sharp, ensuring that your mechanical keyboard clicks do not ruin the illusion of your character. This makes it a top pick for roleplayers who need to stay in character for an entire evening without any technical hiccups. While the first option is a playground for creators who want variety, the second is a workshop for those who demand reliability. One is about the spectacle and the other is about the craft. Choosing between them means deciding if you want a tool that does the thinking for you or a tool that lets you stay in the driver's seat. One lives for the highlights, while the other lives for the long haul. It is the difference between a high-tech sports car and a reliable, fine-tuned off-road vehicle. Both will get you where you are going, but you will feel the road differently in each one. It really comes down to whether you value the ease of a modern interface or the surgical control of an industry classic.